wake up, just know that we're always there. And when you call, we'll answer you and always get you through. Don't matter where you go, cause we're always there. Through the fire, through the change, we ain't afraid. Gonna be here every day. We walk the miles, make the space, take the time, never late. We do it right. Always on your side. 'Cause we do it right. Any place, anytime, we're always there. Rain or shine. 'Cause we do it right.
Hey y'all, Stormi here from Plant-Based Storm. I am just doing an update on what's been going on around here. We've been doing a lot of things in the garden. So I got some video to show you what we're growing. We've got all kinds of tomatoes and green beans, and we've got a lot of peppers going. There's corn. We have some strawberries, and Cash has his very own little garden that we're working on, doing a lot of things outside with the kids, and show you what we've kind of been working on. So Evelyn is now 7 months. I'm still working on losing weight. I'm down 50 pounds in 7 months, which is pretty good. I'm happy with that. I'm not going to try to lose at a faster rate, which she is nursing, plus I am pumping whenever I'm at work and she's away from me. She's taking a bottle, but she is exclusively fed breast milk, and then she has, like I said, started eating. So I've been making her baby food, and I may do a video on that if anyone is interested in it. She does kind of do baby-led weaning. I feed her what we're eating at home, but when she's away for the day, I am sending homemade purees with her, which that's really been fun, and she's like to explore the different tastes and textures, and she's getting a lot better at eating different foods. So yeah, that's been really neat. I've got a recipe that I'm going to show y'all, something that we've been doing that we really love. Super easy. There's several different ways that you can do it, but I'm going to show you our version. You can totally make it your own. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into that.
So for this recipe, I kept it really simple, ingredients really simple. I used the cans. You can make your own beans if you would like in the Instant Pot on the stove, however it is that you cook yours, but I took the Rattle and the lentils just to give it some extra iron and nutrition and put it in with the rice and cooked that up. I did it like I normally cook rice, just for 3 minutes, and the lentils cooked until you couldn't see them anymore. And then I'm going to take that and add it into both cans of beans, and in that I have some red onion and some chili lime powder. I think it's the one that I got from Trader Joe's. And then this is for my husband. I'm using flour tortillas, and I'm just going to roll it up and put it in a casserole dish, and these are going to be like burritos, like a wet style burrito. And then I'm also going to use a jarred enchilada sauce, and this one has pretty clean ingredients, but it is not oil free. And I didn't really sweat that too much because sometimes I just have to catch a break. And you can totally make your own enchilada sauce, and you can also make your own tortillas because oil-free tortillas are so hard to find. So for his, this is what I did. For mine, I'm using corn tortillas, and I'm going to take the leftover sauce and add in just a little bit of water and then pour that over there. Corn enchiladas, and corn tortilla enchiladas, and then that's going to kind of like cut the calorie density. And then I'm going to bake both of these at 350 until they're nice and hot. And to serve it, I just put cashew sour cream on top, and I added a bit of hot sauce and a dollop of avocado with some fresh onion. And I like to normally put in like some kind of kale or spinach in mine, but I forgot to do that. Like I said, this is a recipe. You can make it totally your own. And we all enjoyed this. She was having fun playing with the food. And Cash actually ended up eating spaghetti because he had some in the refrigerator and is very much on a spaghetti kick, so I didn't mind that at all.
So it's been a learning curve having both of these babies and working full time plus doing the YouTube channel and cooking everything from scratch. So I figured that we would just start doing a little bit more of an organic style video, and just including everything that's kind of going on in our lives, and just letting life happen, more of a storytelling.
Don't want to hold his arms.
You don't?
But I always want to hold his feet.
Kind of like now. I'm just going to wing it and go with it and do more of a storytelling type video, which I think is going to be really fun and a new phase for this channel, because it's about the only way that I'm going to be able to get anything recorded and done. So I hope that you guys like the new style, and yeah, I really can't wait to put out some more content. It is a happy place for me. I love to connect with y'all, and I love to make creative content, especially express myself with cooking and gardening and sharing all the things plant-based, natural, and I just really love to share this lifestyle. So I hope that that sounds good to y'all. And as always, thanks so much for watching.